Today we're going to be doing a vent cleaning. Did you know that most dryer issues have to do with inadequate ventilation? Even if you're cleaning the lint filter after every load, it's a good idea to get your vents cleaned from the dryer to the exhaust annually if you have a run over 10 feet. First thing we're going to do is vacuum from the inside. Attach our nozzle here and let it rip. Alright, now we're going to sweep. Alright, next we're going to sweep from the outlet here in the wall to the dryer inside. Now we can't hear the vacuum, so we know we've got a clog buildup somewhere in that line. We're going to try to just push right past it. Alright, for this clog, we're deadlocked here in the pipe, so we're going to go back in from the side, use a smaller head to try to clear that blockage. Okay, to try to clear that blockage we were encountering on the outside, we're going to sweep back through the inside using the smaller head to try to break it up in conjunction with the vacuum. Okay, to finish clearing up that clog, we're going to use the larger head again from the exhaust, brushing towards that vacuum. Really make sure we got that clog out. We're going to go ahead and hook our vacuum hose up to the outlet and blow through that exhaust. Here you can see the result of blowing from the inlet to the exhaust. All of this lint bunched up is what was clogging our brushes from getting through there. Alright. Finally, we're going to install our new exhaust vent. Now we're going to cut our vent. You want this as short as possible, so we're going to come out just past our washer here and trim it right here. Just like that. Final step, we're going to hook our vent line up to the dryer's exhaust. With adequate ventilation, a dryer should be able to dry a load of 4 to 5 towels within 40 minutes. And now that we're all done, getting a strong flow of air out of that dryer.